Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and in today's video we're doing another vlog. In case you guys didn't watch the last video, it's a big channel shift. You might want to go watch that video honestly before watching this one, because we're doing vlogs mainly on this channel from now on, for those who don't know. Long story short, pretty much. And last time I was down at the shop was like 4 days ago, and there's a lot that has changed already since. Anyways, I'm going down to the shop. We got a new toy today, and a lot of other little updates that I have to make now. I love sunroofs, man. I don't know why car guy is like a popular thing to hate sunroofs as a car guy. I really don't get it. I love them. I think sunroofs are God's gift to cars. They're so cool. We have arrived. Also, we got it after everybody leaves and everything, and everybody calms down. I definitely got to fix the Integra, guys. Let me show you a little. Look at the Corvette. Let me show you a little something on the Integra, dude. This is just getting worse and worse by the day, and it's actually like a serious problem now. Look at the exhaust, man. It's literally like hanging on the ground, and it scrapes against everything. Look at the back of it. Oh my god, it literally just scrapes all the time, and it is a nightmare to drive. So we got to fix that once people start to leave. But either way, here's the updates. The first couple of updates that have happened since the last time you saw us. First of all, Zach's Turbo Miata got new mirrors. He doesn't like them, but I think they're pretty cool. And then the motor's back in. He fixed the transmission problem that I had. And so this thing is running and driving again until it isn't. He also, we were gonna do this on camera, but he just got it. He just wanted to get it done, so we didn't do it on camera. But he also got the sleepy eyes. Sleepy eyes. There you go, boy. Yeah, I kind of like it. I like it definitely a lot better than the regular headlights. It looks really nice. It's like not aggressive because it's still a Miata, you know what I mean? But it is a different change. And apparently they're extremely easy to do. Like he said that he got this done in like 30 minutes, so not too shabby. But yeah, the freaking Turbo Miata is back up and running. One day, maybe today, honestly, I don't know, I'll ask him. But one day we're definitely gonna try and get like a sound clip or a burnout or something on that thing. That's it. What up, dude? Oh, it's stalled. This is the TTR, by the way, guys. This thing, absolute unit. Definitely our fastest bike. When you turn the handlebars all the way to the left, it revs for some reason. Nobody knows why, but it does that. And then this is the newest thing. This is oh, actually, hold on. Let's not go over there just yet. Dom's been doing some absolute grinding over here on the Project Miata. The motor's in it now. Apparently, so last time you guys saw this car, it also has a coil rad radiator. Look how nice that thing is, dude. It's a clean radiator. But either way, last time you guys saw this car, we were talking about how the fuel tank is like completely rotted out. Apparently, they're buying another burgundy red Miata like this. Dom's going to use it as a parts car. Then after he uses it as a parts car, Zach's going to take the remainder of it and turn it into that project as well. So there's going to be 3 Miatas here. So this is a big. What up, Zach? You talking? I'm talking that smack, yeah. I'm talking that rah-rah. Zachary, you guys know Zach. There's Dom. I don't think they've ever met you, Dom. Hi. Say hi, Dom. And then there's Ben. Dom's our like in-house mechanic. This dude just knows how to fix everything somehow. But this is the newest thing, dude. Ben got a 250 as well. So this is Zach's. You guys saw this last episode. Was it 07 KX250? Is that what it's called? It's 07 KX250. This thing's running and driving perfectly fine. Well, it was a little angry when he started it today, but this might have just been cold. Oh yeah. But this thing is
2 kicks though.
2 little. It actually starts faster than my bike starts. Like my bike takes definitely a couple kicks to start. So this bike starts faster. But this is the newest one. This is. What are you doing? This is Ben's bike now. It's a 07 as well. Honda CRF 250? Is that what it's called?
CRF 250R.
CRF 250R. 4-stroke again. So now we have three 250s. This one's so beautiful, guys. Like, look at this. Like, I love the way this is what I want my bike to look like. That's why I bought the black plastics. We're putting the black plastics on. After seeing this bike, we're definitely putting the black plastics on. I have to. Because, like, this is just so nice. They just got. He had to get a new tire for it, so that's what they're doing right now. I'm putting a new tire on. And you got a new, Ben, you got a new chain too, right? The colors, man. You guys can't, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's got like this glitter on all the stickers. It's like a weird little, it's like dark matter camo in Black Ops 3.
You nerd.
Not actually, it doesn't look anything like that. It looks like more like Interstellar camo in MW3.
Is that going to be a video, best camos in Call of Duty?
It actually is literally tomorrow's video.
I bet it is.
I swear to God it is. Yeah, you guys probably already know this, but I have the Call of Duty channel. Go subscribe to it. It's in the description below. But yeah, it literally actually is going to be the next video. I'm not even lying. But anyways, this thing.
It's a nice bike.
I love it. I like it more than mine. I know it's stupid, but I do. I like it more than mine. Because it looks cooler than mine. I love the black.
You have black.
I know, I got it, but I don't have the stickers though. Maybe on camera it doesn't look that great. In person, it looks so much better because the gold like accents it so well. There's nice little gold pieces, like obviously the forks, but you got like whatever the hell this little thing is. This little sewer valve there.
Sewer valve.
The handles kind of don't match it though. You gotta change the handles out.
I want black ones.
Yeah, you gotta get black handles. Black handles kind of stick out like a sore thumb.
Alright, you wanna take that chain out?
Dude, it's nice though. And it's got a nice message on it, man. Everybody can support that. Oh, and they got bikes in here, like actual bikes, bicycles in here. I don't know where the other, Ben can't wheelie for the life of him. He sucks at wheeling, so. Go to Ben's Instagram and tell him, you suck at wheeling, dude. Now there's 3 of us that have 250s, so obviously we're gonna make riding videos. I'm gonna have to figure out how to like set up GoPros and stuff. Zach was talking to me about like apparently you can get mics in the helmet so you guys can hear me talking to you guys while we're riding. And then apparently even after that, you could do Bluetooth things so like you could talk to each other also while riding. Don't know how expensive that would be, but if it's not that bad, I'm definitely gonna buy it because it would make the riding videos way better. But we're 110% gonna do riding. I already planned on doing it like solo, but now that they have bikes, they have a trailer, they have trucks, we're taking them places, and we're going riding. We're going riding for show. Our mechanic going to town in his Hey Dudes. Look at that. This is a Hey Dude shop. We're not sponsored, but pick yourself up.
I got Hey Dudes too.
Yeah, those are the Hey Pals.
Howdy partners.
I got Hey Homies.
Howdy partners. Oh, those are the Amazon, the specials?
These are my Hey Homies.
Oh, they look like the Hey Homies. Anyways, guys, they're starting to do some angle grinding over there. So when they get this thing done, I'll film the bike riding and everything. Oh my, this bike is so cool. I'm filming on my phone right now, by the way, guys. So sorry for the audio.
I didn't even know you were filming.
This is why you gotta get yourself friends that will work for free. You don't pay them a dime and they fix your car. That's the best.
I'll let them fool you. I'm getting 100 an hour.
I'm filming on my phone right now, by the way, guys, so sorry if the audio is any bad or anything. My GoPro was over there and they didn't tell me they were going to ride the bike, so I had to speed run it. But yeah, the exhaust problem was already kind of fixed in the back, but in the front it's also hanging down a little bit. So he's gonna put what is it called, Zach?
Just steel wire.
It's just some wire, and he pretty much made like an exhaust hanger for it. And all jokes aside, dude, Zach, thank you, dude. I really do appreciate it. The amount of times that Zach has saved my life has been insane. This car wouldn't be lowered if it wasn't for Zach. Remember, dude? We were just sitting in the shop one day. I had the coilovers in the trunk, and Zach was like, "Let's put the coilovers on," and so we did. It's perfectly fine. Look at that thing, dude. Look at his head. Look at those Goldilocks. That's such a nice bike. As you guys know, I don't know the first thing about actually fixing vehicles. I talk on YouTube like I do, but I don't, as you guys know that. So I have no idea what's actually going on with that. That's why like I have to keep updating you guys and just being like, oh, this is what's going on, because I have to wait until, I don't want to like interrupt them, you know, put a camera in their face and be like, what's going on? So I wait for them to be done, and then I'm like, what's the deal? And then they tell me. And that's why I tell you. Pretty much we're trying to get it. It has like the back, pretty much when he's riding, he feels the back hopping, is what he's saying. And it's got a new tire on there, so it can't be the tires. So I have no idea what it could be. Now Dom's riding it. What is it? What is going on with it? Do you know?
They just trimmed the back wheel, but it don't look straight.
So what do you think it could be then? That is such a cool bike, though. It's such a nice bike.
Did you feel that back wheel?
Oh, you really can.
Really? You ride once it comes back.
So what do you think is wrong with it then, Ben? I don't know the first thing about this stuff, so.
I don't know. It could just be bent like bad.
The wheel itself?
It could be.
Oh, yeah. And he's dropping things.
Doesn't have play in it.
By the way, guys, this is a private property that he's riding on. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. I showed you guys this when it was in the parking lot. Couldn't really see it too well, but dude, this thing was literally scraping on flat ground. Like, my driveway is completely flat, and I would scrape the entire way up the driveway. Woke my dad up one day. He was so mad. He was like, "You gotta fix that piece of shit." He was so pissed off. But this took him like 10 minutes too, by the way. And it's like perfect again. Thank God, dude. That was a nightmare. That's Mike, by the way, guys. What's up? That's Mike's truck, by the way. Nice truck.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm a Chevy guy. You guys know that, so I love that thing. Back on the GoPro. There we go. So, like I said, this is all fixed up. I just got to take it out of here real quick. And both the bikes are out there. He let me ride his Honda, the black one. Dude, it's so much fun. But the people up there are starting to get mad. So I'm gonna stop here soon. But another little update. We might go get. So I don't know if I ever showed you guys it, but I started like 2 years ago on a 125, and it's an Apollo DBX 19. It's some Chinese dirt bike. I got it for like 800 bucks off Amazon, and we're gonna go riding this weekend. We're gonna go riding this weekend with the 3 dirt bikes that we have, the 250s, but Dom wants to go, and we obviously want Dom to go. So Dom thinks he can fix it really quickly, so we're gonna go up to my house real quick, pick up that dirt bike, bring it down here, and hopefully Dom can fix it. That way we have 4. It's a 125, but we'll have 4 bikes to ride. It's gonna be a blast. The pussy wagon has arrived.
In the Duramax.
In the Duramax. Dude, that thing's so nice. It's quick, too. It's kind of quick. All right. It's got an exhaust the size of my head. I literally could probably fit my head in that exhaust. Chat. Yeah, GMT 100, baby. I think he's gonna blow my mic off. Yeah, definitely. I love those trucks, though. You guys heard me talk about those trucks. I don't know much about trucks, but you guys know how much I love the GMT 800s. They have such a nostalgic feel for me because my dad's had them my entire life growing up. Either way, this is the bike we just went and picked up. It's an Apollo DBX 19, I believe. It's a 125 Chinese. But all that it needs, the tires debeaded on the back. And so it'll start sometimes, but it doesn't idle.
I fit great on this.
You're literally like.
Yeah, that bike's gonna be so much fun.
How long has this thing been sitting, Mark?
You tell me.
What is this?
It's been sitting for only a couple months, actually.
Where's the keyhole?
I hate to do it. That's
No, he's ripping off the.
Oh, it's got. It's got quite a bit of.
$10,000 paint job.
We gotta do it, Mark.
We're taking off the sticker bombs. I sticker bombed this thing on myself one time. It was so like proud. Oh yeah, no, it's. I only put like the best gas on my bikes, even if they're 125s. Anyways,
What are you doing?
I paid like that was a $10 mod, dude. Ben owes me $10.
Oh,
I'm doing you a favor, dog.
Bike's in better condition than Ben's 250.
You simmer down. Mark, do you care if I take all this thing out?
No, I do not. I mean, you already started anyway, so even if I did care, would you have stopped?
All of them?
Exactly. Yeah, you can take them all off. I'll try all of them. Oh my god, it's like green.
Yeah.
That's nasty. But all the stickers are off. It's dirty, obviously needs to be cleaned. It's filthy. It's literally pool water green all over the place. And look at that. The only sticker that's left on. Gotta represent. Dude, after all the stickers are off, it's not like that bad looking, you know what I mean?
Mark, dude. I could wheelie this thing for miles.
Dude, it's gonna be a blast to ride that thing. But we're running into multiple problems just because the bike has been sitting for so freaking long. The throttle, what is it? What's going on with the throttle, Dom?
Oh, I got it. It's fine now.
Ben's farting near it, or Zach's farting near it.
Hey, you dirty dog.
Dude, look at this thing, guys. This thing is a come on now, it's gonna be fun as hell.
This thing's knit.
It is.
It's actually kind of nice.
It is.
Yeah, when the stickers are on. It was $800.
$800. This is 4 years old now, too.
Did you have to build it?
Yeah, it came like all apart, but it wasn't the motor and everything was on it though. Everything else like was fine. It was just the like the suspension needed to be put on, the wheels they needed to be put on, but that was it pretty much. Oh, and the forks needed to be put on. This is a problem. The Kickstarter doesn't. So it looks like it's fine, but when you actually kick it, it goes bad. So in order to start this thing, you need to put vice grips on it and start it with the vice grips. So that's a problem. The exhaust is obviously very loose and just falling off, and it doesn't idle. So running into some problems, but hey, it's a little project bike for this weekend. It'll be a fun time. And then we got that one, Ben's, Zach's, the TTR. Hopefully, Mike hopefully will buy one, and then I got my YZ250. So if by this weekend Mike gets one, there's 5 of us. If not, there's 4 of us, and it's gonna be an absolute blast. We're gonna do a whole day, whole vlog, everything. I cannot wait. I'm so excited, so excited. But anyways, we're gonna try and get this bike started tonight. I'll update you guys on what happened.
You've got cheese in your carburetor.
Oh my God! No wonder.
There's the carb.
Yeah, I don't know why it was
This is why the bike wasn't idling. It's Chinese, dude. That's probably just that Chinese stuff, man.
There's gelatin in it.
Don't smell it.
Yeah, it doesn't.
What is that?
That's like petroleum jelly, kind of. It's what happens when you don't clean your carburetor.
So he had to first of all, he had to drill out the screws because they were security screws. So he had to drill those out, and then he got it drilled out, and it is filthy in there. Oh my God, yeah, you're right. Do not smell that. Holy smokes. Ooh, you guys are lucky they don't make 40 YouTube videos, or you would be smelling that right now. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Pretty much after the carb situation, put the carb back on the bike, started it, and it did start, but didn't idle again. And so he started looking at it closer and realized there's a couple more problems. So pretty much what happened is Dom went home, bought all the parts that it needs, which is a carb. It needs some throttle thing, but he couldn't buy that, and then a tube for the tire in order for the tire to go back on, and all the stuff for an oil change. So once he gets all that stuff done, once he gets all that stuff in, I should say, he'll obviously put it all on the bike. Sorry that I sound like groggy. I am groggy. I'm tired. I'm filming this literally right before bed. This outro is literally going in right before bed. But either way, yeah. So he bought all that stuff, and tomorrow it should be here. And so that means hopefully tomorrow he's going to put all that stuff back on it, and that bike should run. And if it does run, that's perfect, because this weekend we are going riding. We are going on a trail, and so we got my bike, Ben's bike, and Zach's bike, and then if we can get that one running, then Dom can come with us and we can have a little foursome action going. Say what? But it's going to be an absolute blast, and that's obviously probably going to be the next video is the first like ride. Now I want to make it abundantly clear though, even though it sounds like I'm an avid dirt bike enthusiast. I am. I love dirt bikes. I've been riding for a couple years now, but I've only been riding for a couple years now around my house. No like trails or anything like that. So in that video, it's not like going to be anything crazy. No like backflips, no tail whips, none of that stuff, dude. We're just riding on a trail, but it should still be pretty fun. And we're trying to get it all set up so that obviously I can record the riding, but also so I can get a mic into the helmet so I can talk to you guys as well. That'd be ideal, obviously, in case you guys want to hear me talk. So that's the plan for the dirt bike. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Vlog number 2, man. Like I said, we're locking in on the vlogs now. The channel is making a little bit of a shift. The vlogs right now are starting off with dirt bikes. I know I'm a car guy and I'm supposed to talk about cars and everything like that, but that's what we're doing right now, is building up dirt bikes, having fun with dirt bikes, and buying dirt bikes. So that's what the content's going to be. It's pretty much anything with an engine over here on the Mark Roden channel is cool with me. You know what I mean? So that's what we're going to be doing recently. In the near future, I don't know, whatever. That's what we're doing though. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that great mumbo jumbo. And again, guys, any sort of tips on how to make the vlogs more entertaining for you guys, I would greatly appreciate it, man. That'd be awesome. So yeah, just let me know any sort of tips or tricks that you guys have to make it a little bit more interesting, because I'm still new to this, you know what I mean? It's a learning curve for sure. I don't know what the vloggers do to make it so interesting. I'm trying my best. Hopefully it's enjoyable for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Das Vidania, and have a nice night.